Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no GPS signal lost in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on battery and then click on power saving settings. Now scroll down and here you can see the option screen battery optimization. Now click on it. Now here you can turn off your screen battery optimization. After turn off your screen battery optimization, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it and here enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.